negotiations, right? So how do you want to move forward? And
Actually, if you want to go, as you are interested for teaching, oh sorry, for reading,
okay,
so we can take that later. But first,
okay,
actually, some of the sentences are there for the practice. If we think it is
sure,
good, then we can take them.
okay,
Like as we used has to, have to in our sentences, but we are going to use them in passive and in questions also.
mm-hmm.
Okay,
Sure, sure, sure.
so let's take first, suppose we say these letters are to be, or you can say, first I write this, these letters are to be posted.
Okay.
Are these letters to be posted? It is a question. Or these letters are to be posted, or you can say these letters have to be posted. The same thing. Have to be posted or are to be posted means post किए जाने हैं.
Yes.
These
Post
letters,
करना है.
हाँ पोस्ट करना है, हमको करना है. We have to post these letters, or these letters have to be posted. This is passive.
Yes, yes, yes.
हमको करना है या ये लेटर पोस्ट किए जाने हैं.
We have to post these letters. That is active voice, and these letters are to be posted in passive voice.
Yes, 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 same thing. So, but suppose I say these letters have to be got posted, then what does it mean?
These letters have to be got posted. No, okay. इसका मतलब क्या है कि have to be
got posted.
किसी से पोस्ट करवाना है ये.
Yes. यस, किसी से मतलब ये लेटर पोस्ट करवाए जाने हैं.
Yes.
My car is to be repaired. My car has to be repaired. My car has to be got repaired today.
Okay.
My car is to be repaired today. My car is to be got repaired today. करवाई जानी, मेरी कार आज रिपेयर करवाई जानी है.
Yeah.
Okay. The walls of my house, all the walls of my house are to be painted white. Are to be painted white.
Okay.
And the doors are to be painted pink or red or whatever, like this.
Okay.
A sentence is here. It is the use of make, but when we use it in a passive, like children were made to run in the ground.
Children were made to run in the ground. Okay.
Means बच्चों को दौड़ाया गया.
Yeah.
It is in
Made.
it is in passive.
Were made to run in the ground.
Yes.
Okay. मतलब वो दौड़ाया
बच्चों को दौड़ाया गया.
दौड़ने को किया गया, राइट?
हाँ, वो सेम थिंग दौड़ाया गया क्योंकि I made, suppose I say I made children run in the ground.
Yeah.
This one is active.
Okay.
This one is active in past tense, but this is passive of past. Children were made to run in the ground by me.
Yes. Okay.
I made children run in the ground. मैंने बच्चों को दौड़ाया.
Okay.
और बच्चों को दौड़ाया गया. Like this. A very nice. He will not be made to return my book. What does it mean?
He will not be made to return my book. He will not be made to. Okay. वो तैयार रिटर्न करने को तैयार नहीं है इन फ्यूचर में. आई मीन तैयार नहीं है मतलब वो
उसको. हाँ, मैं बता रहा हूँ. यस आई अंडरस्टूड.
ओके.
ही विल नॉट बी मेड टू रिटर्न. उससे मेरी किताब वापस नहीं दिलाई जाएगी. उससे मेरी किताब वापस नहीं दिलाई जाएगी. ही विल नॉट बी मेड टू रिटर्न माई बुक. लाइक दिस.
ओके. not be made to return my book. Okay. उसको तैयारी नहीं किया रिटर्न करने को.
हाँ,
ये ना
नहीं किया जाएगा. हाँ, यस यार, नहीं किया जाएगा. हाँ.
ओके.
सपोज आई से उससे मेरी किताब वापस दिलाई जाए.
ओके.
उससे मेरी किताब वापस दिलाई जाए. लेट हिम बी.
ओके.
Let him be made to return my book.
इसका मतलब तैयारी करना है.
मतलब उससे मेरी दिलाई जाए. मतलब उसको कुछ करो कि वो मेरी बुक वापस दे दे. Let him be made to return my book.
My book. Okay. Okay. Got it.
My book is to be returned.
Yes.
My book is to be returned. He is to be made. Like this. He is to be made to return my book.
We can call it this way, right? The previous sentence. Let him be made to vacate my house.
Once again.
Let him be made to vacate my house.
Let him be made. Yes, very good. Let him be made to vacate my house. Very nice. उससे मेरा मकान खाली करवाया जाए.
Yeah. We are requesting. I mean, someone. Even we can say in the court also, like, okay, let him be made to vacate my house because he's not vacating.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, so you are requesting the judge
Yes.
or someone else, maybe police officer or like this, that sir, it is my request.
Yeah.
Let him be made to vacate my house.
Okay.
I need it.
He is to be made to return my book. He is to be made to return by book. Okay. Oh, he is to be made to return my book. Okay. मतलब वो उसको तैयारी करवाया रिटर्न करने को.
करवाओ, उससे करवाओ.
करवाओ.
हाँ, उससे करवाओ मेरी किताब वापस.
Okay, what is the difference between the previous sentence and this one? Because previously I see है ना, like करवाओ करके बता.
Let him be made. Yes. Same. No, very slight difference is there. Let him be made. That is in little bit passive. Like let him be made. उससे करवाई जाए. उससे करवाना है. Same. ज़्यादा. There is no big difference.
Yeah, that's what. Okay.
Meaning is almost same. He is to be made. Let him be made.
Yeah. But he is to be made. He is to be
made. He has to be made. Same thing.
But okay, I think yeah. I mean, what I mean to say, there is small difference in these two things because previous one is like we made to return by Mutko. We are requesting, but here you are my friend. I'm saying to you, like he is to be made to return by Mutku. मतलब मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, उसको करवाने को कुछ करना है करके. Am I correct?
Yes. You are absolutely right.
Okay. So I'm talking to my wife saying like we have to be made to vacate our house. It means like कुछ करना है हम उसको vacate करने को.
Right. Of course.
Okay.
You're absolutely right. Or you can say he is to be or he has to be. No problem.
Yes. Understand. So okay. The difference is that okay. Got it.
Okay. One more. Why isn't this is also like passive? Why isn't he going to be something? Why isn't he going to be invited? Suppose I say this one. See this one.
Why isn't he going to be? Invited? Okay. उसको क्यों invite नहीं किया जाएगा? I mean
किया जा रहा है. Yes. Why isn't
we are not? Okay, sorry. Please go ahead.
Actually, there is slight difference in such type of sentence whether it is active or passive. Like suppose if I say why isn't he going to invite me?
Yeah. Okay.
Let me write this. Why isn't he going to invite me? This one, suppose. This is simple active. Why isn't he going to invite me? वो मुझे क्यों invite नहीं कर रहा है?
Okay, well, yeah, that's correct. Agree. I mean,
क्यों कर रहा है? This is active.
Yeah.
कि वो मुझे invite क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? But why isn't he going to be invited? अरे भाई उसको invite क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो आप? Getting my this is passive. Why isn't he going to be invited? उसको क्यों नहीं बुलाया जा रहा है? उसको क्यों नहीं invite किया जा रहा है?
इसमें सेकंड सेंटेंस में I'm asking why he is not going, he going to invite me करके मैं बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
I mean, previous question में किसी ने बता रहा है. I mean, like you are telling to
हाँ.
someone saying like why Srinivas is not going to be invited.
हाँ, yes, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. Why isn't he going to be invited? उसको क्यों नहीं बुला रहे हैं?
Yes.
अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ why isn't he going to invite me or why aren't you going to invite me?
Directly asking.
हाँ, अभी मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ why aren't you going to invite me to attend the meeting?
Understand. Understand. Okay.
One more. I like, sometimes the people ask me, my students ask me that why didn't you go into any job? The people ask me why I means had not gone to any job. This is indirect speech. People ask me sometimes, the students, they ask me why I hadn't gone to any job in my past. So what I answered, because I like to order. I like to order others. Now I want to make it passive. I like to order others. I don't like to be ordered by others. I don't
like to be ordered. Okay.
Ordered by others. I like to order others. That's why I am my own boss. I don't like to be ordered. I like to be respected. I like to be respected by my students. And I like to respect my students too. Both active and passive. I like to respect my students and I like to be respected by my students. I write this. I like to be respected I like to be respected by my students and I like to respect my students.
Yes.
Like this. It is enjoyable or not?
Yes.
Sometimes, when you go to any, earlier it was the trend that we used to go to photo studio to get our photograph. But these days now the people have mobile phone and digital camera, so they can take their selfie. So these days that trend is not very popular.
Yes.
But in my childhood, or I think probably in your childhood, you might have gone with your parents, with your grandparents to have family photograph like that.
Yeah, I remember in my, I think 8th grade or 7th grade, I don't remember the exact date, but three of my friends and me went to photo studio and we had, what we call to get that photo at that time.
The same thing I am going to tell you now. That's why I got that topic in my mind. Taking photograph, like मैंने अपना फोटो खिंचवाया.
Okay.
In Hindi भी से खिंचवाया.
Yes.
Do you understand खिंचवाया in Hindi?
Get it done, right?
Yes. But photograph, you say photograph is a noun.
Okay.
but it is a verb also.
Okay.
Photograph is a noun, but photograph is a verb also. So we can use
Okay.
it like I got, and we always use myself, herself, themselves like this. I got myself photographed. This one.
Okay.
So we say मैंने अपना फोटो खिंचवाया.
खिंचवाया गया. Okay.
खिंचवाया.
Okay.
I got myself photographed
Okay.
in a studio.
Yeah. Okay.
Or you can say our family,
Okay.
or my family, you can say. My family members got themselves photographed. But it was a group photograph. So photograph is a verb and photograph is a noun. Photograph मतलब तस्वीर, picture, and photograph मतलब photo खींचना. Verb is, it is verb also.
Okay.
Similarly, sometimes water. Water is a verb and noun both. Like I watered the plants. Similarly, dog. Dog.
Yeah. 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 You know that.
It is an animal, but it is noun. But dog means it is verb also. This is verb.
Oh, really? Okay. How to use this one in sentence?
Yes, dog means like पीछा करना, किसी को follow करना, पीछा करना.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like he dogged me in the dark. Dogged. He dogged me.
Okay.
Dog, it is also a verb. Just it came into my mind, that's why I told you.
Sure.
So photograph, it is very common. I got myself photographed. I will get myself photographed today.
Okay.
I will get myself photographed today. आज मैं खिंचवाऊंगा अपना फोटो. Like this. अभी तो कोई बोलता नहीं है ऐसे सेंटेंस, बट okay. It's a very good question. Is this the day? Is this the day today to get this work? See this one? It's a question actually. Is this the day today? Is this the day today to get this work done?
मेरा वाइफ से पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, is this the day to get this work done? मतलब तो करने का यही सही दिन है क्या?
Yes.
Okay.
Or sometimes we can say, is this the right day today?
Yeah. Okay.
Is this the right day today to do it or to get it done?
Okay.
Okay, suppose there is a room and it has been locked and the key is lost. The room has been locked, key is lost, अब अभी हम बोल रहे हैं, नाउ वी आर स्पीकिंग, इस कमरे का ताला तुड़वाया जाएगा। इस कमरे का ताला अब तुड़वाया जाएगा, या ये दरवाजा तुड़वाया जाएगा।
तुड़वाया मतलब
तुड़वाना में ब्रेक, ब्रेक तोड़ना,
ओके ओके ओके
तोड़ना, लाइक मीन्स द this room
Okay.
this room will be got broken. Passive,
Okay.
passive, like this room will be got broken.
This room will be got broken. Okay. Oh, to
Or simple, or
will be
simple. Suppose we say simple. We will have to break this door. Suppose not room,
Yeah.
like this door.
yes.
We
yes.
will have to break this door. Simple, active.
Yes.
We will have to break this door now because we have lost the key. We have to break the door. Or the door of this room has to be broken. Will have to be broken. Passive.
It will have to be broken.
Yes. Now suppose
Okay.
this is active. We will have to break this door, or this door will have to be broken.
Okay.
This is passive,
Yes.
like this.
Okay. Okay. What is the? I mean, suppose if we say like this room will be getting broken. I mean, example.
Will be getting. You can say this room, like this room
Will be
will be
getting broken.
getting broken. You want to say this?
Yeah. Getting or get it broken. I mean, get it broken is wrong. Hello.
Yes, I am just thinking what you want to say.
Yeah, because the earlier one, we did everything is like a get it done, get it right because karvana hai, kisi se. Right?
Yes.
We are not breaking the room. Suppose if we break the room, so we are saying like, I mean, I can say like I'm breaking the room or like.
Okay. You want to, मतलब किसी और से तुड़वाना है वो.
बिकॉज किसी को बोलवाना है काला ताला आई मीन करवाने को नहीं तो somehow I don't do.
Then you can say this room will be got broken.
Okay.
This room will be got broken. तुड़वाया जाएगा. Will have to be got broken. तुड़वाया जाना होगा.
Okay.
Should I write it?
No. Yeah, in this sentence already you wrote about 2 sentences above.
This room will be, actually that sentence is wrong. This room will be getting broken.
No, that is and above. Fourth, but bottom to fourth, top. Bottom to
Is this
third.
the room will be?
Yeah.
I have already written that. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You already written that one.
Yes.
So now my question is, sorry, this room, let me write. We will get it broken. इसमें गलत है क्या?
गलत है.
Okay, okay.
This room will be, because actually if you are using be, then get usually it is in third form. When करवाते हैं ना तब, like करवाना है, it is always in third form, like got.
Okay, that's fine. Will be got it broken because we cannot got it broken. Can we say like that then?
It is not given.
Why I'm asking? Sorry, maybe
No, ask me. No.
I am wrong, but because in the previous sentence is the day today to get this work done. To get this work done.
Right.
It means to get after that this work means like this. Let us take to get the room, we can say, right? To get the room work done. Matlab, this room get repaired. That's what the formation I need to say, the same format. You know what I'm saying? Is it correct or not? That is
No, that sentence is wrong, but I am writing what you are asking.
okay.
Shall we call someone to get this room, or maybe you can say it. Shall we call someone to get this room broken? See this one. Shall we call someone to get this room broken? क्या हम किसी को बुलाएं? Same, you know.
Okay, got it.
Shall we call someone to get this room broken? क्या हम किसी को बुलाएं इस कमरे को तोड़वाने के लिए? No, don't call anyone. Don't call anyone.
Okay, there is some. I know there is some difference in these two sentences. What I am referring and what you wrote right now. A second sentence. Shall we call someone? वो मेरा voice से बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Shall we call someone to to get this room broken or something? What I need to say the sentence. मैं आपसे बोल रहा हूँ. अरे भाई मेरा रूम खोलो, करवाना है किसी से बुला के.
अच्छा, okay.
You know what I am saying? The difference in the sentences. Because I lost my key. That's why I am telling you.
I am writing.
ये आपने जो लिखा सेंटेंस को yes to be unbroken. Okay.
कि मेरे को एक तोड़वाना, रूम को तोड़वाना किसी से.
Yeah, my room is
to be got broken.
Okay. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah, get it, but okay. To be get it broken, is it wrong?
Yes, because it should be got. Is to be. Because you know, when you use is to be, it is always followed by third form of the verb. It is to be done. It is to be removed. My tooth is to be removed.
Okay, got broken. by someone. Okay.
That, like that, the dog is to be driven out. The dog mean to be, third form.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
sometimes if it is not passive, suppose if it is not passive, then simply to be, like I am going to be your friend. Simple. I am going to be your friend. Simple. I am going to be with you. I am going to help you. I am going to be helped. Now it is different meaning. I am going to be helped.
Okay.
I am going to be helped by the government.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, like this. So to be, if you are making it passive, then it is followed by a third form.
Okay.
Like I like to be, or I don't like to be ordered. I like to order. I don't like to be ordered. Like this. Why has he been, first this one, why has he been beaten? It's a question. It is in passive. Why has he been beaten? उसको क्यों पीटा गया है?
Yes.
अभी अगर ये हो कि उसको क्यों पिटवाया गया है, why has he been got beaten? उसको क्यों पिटवाया गया है? So why has he been beaten? Why has he been got beaten? Will the guest be asked to have breakfast in the morning? See this one?
Okay.
Will the guest be asked to have breakfast in the morning? Understand the meaning?
Yes.
And
Yes, I understand this one.
okay, and you ask, okay, what are they going to be served with the breakfast? Whether it is tea or coffee.
Okay.
So what is my question? What are they going to be
To be
served with?
good.
What are they going to be served with
Yeah.
in the morning? They are going to be served with breakfast and coffee.
Tea and coffee.
Tea or coffee, whatever. So they are going to be served with. What are they going to be served with? They are going to be served with tea or coffee, whatever. like this.